Hypnosis for anxiety, instant calm, and deep relaxation. Hello, welcome to short hypnosis session to help you release anxiety and feel calm instantly. If you are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or your mind is racing, this session will gently guide you, your body, mind, and soul into a state of deep relaxation and safety. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Make sure you will not be disturbed. And if you're ready, let us begin. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Very good. Again, breathe in deeply and release with early breathe out. Imagine relaxing stress, worries, and tension from your body. Let your breathing become slow, natural, and comfortable. Every breath in, take your body becomes more and more relaxed. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation moving slowly through your body, relaxing your forehead, relaxing the muscles around your eyes, relaxing your jaws and neck and your shoulders. Allow your shoulders to drop. Feel the relaxation flowing down your arms, elbows, hands, and fingers. Now, it flows down your chest, stomach, and back. Your body feels heavier, calmer, and more relaxed. Now relax your hips, legs, knees, calves, and feet. Your entire body is now completely and wonderfully relaxed. In a moment, I will count from 10 down to 1. With every number, you will go deeper into a state of peace and relaxation. 10, drifting deeper and deeper. 9, your mind becoming quieter and quieter. 8, letting go of all the tension in your mind. 7, your body feeling lighter and lighter. 6, deeper and deeper. 5, halfway down. 4. Calm and safe. 3. Peaceful and relaxed. 2. Almost there. 1. Deeply, very deeply relaxed. Now, imagine you're standing on the top of a hill. Feel the calm energy around you. The air feels fresh, light, and peaceful. In front of you, a small glowing light appears. This light represents peace, safety, and calm. Now, imagine the every worry, every anxious thought as like a small cloud leaving your mind. Each cloud slowly drifts away, disappearing in sky. And as those clouds disappear, your mind becomes clear, peaceful, and wonderfully relaxed. Your body feels lighter and lighter. Your heart feels calm and beats normally. You realize something powerful now. You're very safe, very safe. Now, repeat these words clearly in your mind. I release stress easily. Every breath I take relaxes me more and more. I trust myself. I handle life with calm and confidence. Whenever I need calm, I simply take a slow and deep breath, and my body instantly relaxes. Anxiety no longer controls me. I am in control of my thoughts. I choose peace. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and you will open your eyes feeling refreshed, calm, and wonderfully relaxed. 1. Slowly and slowly return. 2. Bringing awareness to your body. 3. Feeling lighter and peaceful. 4. Taking a deep breath. 5. Eyes open, feeling calm and wonderfully relaxed. If this session helped you feel relaxed, then save this video and come back whenever you need instant calm. And do not forget to subscribe for more guided hypnosis and stress relief sessions. Thank you.